Now let us see how to download OpenStreetMap. Just type bb bike extract OpenStreetMap. Select the first option. Now this is the interface. So select here format as shapefile history. Now name the area which you want to extract, or you can search here also. So our area is Nagpur. So we'll type here Nagpur and search over here. So this is the Nagpur district. So you will have to provide an email where your data will be sent. So give the email where you want to receive the shape files. Now you have to select the desired location. Which area do you want? So click over here. Now select the desired location. Just click over here. Now this is the resize option from where you can select the desired location. From this option you can move the area wherever you want and select here extract. Now it will take 2 to 3 minutes to extract this area and it will be sent to your email, which email you have provided. So our area is Nagpur district. These are the coordinates and the format is shapefile. So here you can see the mail has been sent. So here you can see your request of OpenStreetMap area Nagpur district was extracted from Planet OSM. So to download it, click over here. So the download has been started. So this is our OpenStreetMap zip file. Just copy it and make a folder in desktop and name it as OSM data. You can select whichever folder you want to save this data and paste the zip folder here. Now extract this by clicking right and select here extract here. So the file has been extracted. Now open QGIS. So just go to layer option and select here add layer. Now we want to add a vector layer. Just click over here. Now select the folder. Now select the file. There are n number of files that are CPG, DBF, PRJ, SHP. So we want only shape files. So here there is all files. Select here ISRI shape files. So here it is. Open all the files. Select all files and open it. Add it and close it. So OSM data has been added. Now if we go to this building shapefile and select here open attribute table, it will show the hostel block, residential area, hostel, colleges, name of the administration. You can see many things, schools, colleges. Now in land use, if you go to attribute table, you can see the cricket ground, parks, Nagpur railway station, Reshimbagh ground. So if you go to places attribute table, you can see the square, locality, neighborhood. Now if you want to label this OpenStreetMap, just go to view and select your panels and open this layer styling panel. In layer styling panel, just go to labels and select here single labels. You can also name the value as OSM ID, type, or by population. We will take it as name, apply it and close it. So here you can see many things which are being named. This is Basant Nagar, this is Dharampet area, this is Shivaji Nagar, this is Ram Nagar Square. So all the areas have been named. Now to add this OSM file in QGIS, just go to browser. If the browser panel is not showing, just go to view and select here panels and select browser panels. Now in browser panel, just go downward and you will see XYZ tiles. Just select here openstreetmap. Now here you can see our openstreetmap is below and our vector file is above the map. Here you can see, if you uncheck this, you can see the vector files, and if you select this, you can see the map. So this is how you can download the OpenStreetMap. Thank you.